These are the 1TAZERO men's casual shoes. These are the most comfortable shoes I've ever owned in my life. This is my second pair. Here's my first pair. I love these shoes so much. I wore them every single day, and I've got them to the point where I actually wore them out and I couldn't wear them anymore. I actually repaired them at one point because I love these shoes so much. They're so comfortable. And I decided this time to go with the black. And when you get this, you get an extra set of shoelaces in here, and it comes in a nice packaging. They did a good job on that. So what's awesome about these shoes is they are super comfortable, and you can just slip them on and slip them off. These laces on here are elastic. Just to let you know, these run 1/2 size large for me anyway. Whatever this insert is, it's amazing. It's got like little dimples on here, and it's fantastic. Little gel on the bottom. I mean, the stitching's great on these. I had that last pair for almost a year. I just wore the sole out from using them every single day. Super easy to slip on. They look great in an office setting or a casual setting. I'm happy with these things. I love these shoes. I might get another pair.